How to unblock someone on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I'm here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how to unblock someone on Messenger. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Messenger application, and once you appear on this page, click on the three dash line in the upper right corner. Again, click on the gear shift icon in the upper right corner, and now you will appear to the different settings of your Messenger. Here, click on the privacy and safety option under the section of preference. After that, click on the blocked accounts from the different options. And finally, here in the list, you will see all the blocked accounts in your Messenger. And in order to unblock them, just click on the person you want to unblock, and here you will see the blue button that says unblock. Make sure that you want to unblock the person, because once you unblock them, you can't block them again for next 48 hours. Now just finally click on the unblock option and the person will be unblocked on Messenger. So that's it. This is how easily in the simple step you can unblock someone on Messenger. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye.